Today I will be doing a review on the Cuisinart kettle. To open it, press open. The temperature settings on the kettle are 160 degrees, 175 degrees, 185 degrees, 190 degrees, 200 degrees, and boil. To start the kettle, press start. To keep warm, press keep warm. It will keep warm for 30 minutes. The kettle has 360-degree rotation and is detachable. When turned on, the light turns blue. The letters are known to wear off after time, so keep that in mind when purchasing this kettle. This is also known to be Oprah Winfrey's favorite kettle. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to Sugarcane Treats.